Hello everyone! Today we will be making an easy, cheap and delicious dinner. You can serve this for an everyday dinner as well as a festive one. For this recipe we will need potatoes, bacon, onion, salt and pepper.
First, we will need to prepare the potatoes. With each potato, you will need to wash them, dry them off with a paper towel, then cut them in half. Try to pick each potato that is roughly about the same size, so they all cook at the same time. Cut the bacon into the sizes of the potatoes, and cut the onions into rings. When all of your ingredients are ready, please get out a cooking tray, and then line the bottom of it with tin foil. Onto the tray, please place all of your potatoes. Then add a bit of salt on top and then a bit of pepper. Onto each potato, please place one slice of bacon, then a couple of onion rings.
Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell.
In the video, you can see how we puncture the onions with the toothpick. If you would like to do the same, then you will need to cut the onion into thicker pieces. Then put the toothpick through the middle of it. Now, take the toothpick with the onion and put it through the bacon and the potato.
This was one of the recipes that I made with my grandma, and we called it potato boats.
Please place the tray with the potatoes into an oven that has been preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. When your potatoes are ready, take them out of the oven, put them on a cooling rack, and then serve them with vegetables.
Let's cook with me and make your friends and family happy with these potato boats. Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.